Hyper springs, which are in this box. Bit of a mess because I'm always a messy bastard. One bloke actually said, "How do you do such good work when you work in such a mess?" And I thought, well, that's a bit of a compliment. John Kent from the Wing Club, that was. Cool bloke. So now we've got the Hyper springs, which you can see one is tightly wound one way, one is not so tightly wound. So what we're going to do is consult the book in this basic fork. Okay, so it's telling you to put this back in, put all your cartridge fork. Okay, now mount a Hyper Pro spring in the fork. Check the label for mounting. Usually progressive side is mounted up. Sometimes there is a sticker marking it, so the progressive side to measure the oil level, fully compress the fork. Do not fit the spring spacer and other loose parts. Make sure the spring is compressed with a hydraulic lock when compressing the area until steel contact is about. The oil distance is the distance from the top of the tube to the inside. Add or remove oil until it is to the top of the tube. Hold the fork straight up using a tape measure. Bloody idiot, can't hold this properly. Okay, so there's a tape measure, etc. And top of the tube and the oil. Hold the filter, mount a Hyper Pro spring. So basically we've got to put the oil in first, which is quite unusual. Now on this it says oil level 3. So what we need to do is find out what bike it is. If I'll set the spring preload. Hyperflow fork, clear price of dust seals. Put the grease on the inner tube of the fork. Move and repeat this. Okay. Which we haven't technically done this correctly at all. But pull the oil into the tank, hold the fork right upon the fork. Hold on this arm forward, fully compress it. Yeah, basically you can get the idea. So basically we're going to put this in, which says up is the more compressed side, okay? But we've got to measure the oil level, compress the fork, and do not fit the spring spacer and other loose parts. Make the spring in the compressive lock. When compressing becomes heavier, push the spring. No, push until steel is. This is very confusing. Okay, let's forget this. I will see what's going on. Thank you.